Is it worth it? That's what I'm here today in Florida on the East Coast, coming to check out this place here on Voltair. It is it's a little windy. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1988. They're asking $229,000, and we're gonna go see. Is it worth it? I got my dad and my agent here. Coming to take a look out here. So we got some wood rot on these windows, a little bit on the siding there. See if we can see the roof from this side. No idea what that big cap is for. Roof seems to be okay, but I saw some buckling and stuff in there. And our AC looks like it is from 99. Siding is pretty beat up and rotten here. Everything's electric. We got a little siding issues. And we got some more wood rot. This gutter is sagging. Got water coming down, which is why that's leaking. And this side's actually not bad, but definitely need to clean up the landscape around it. A little more wood rot. Put a little extender on that to get it away. Let's head on in.
Come here. Everybody from Miami is moving to Seabird.
Smoke detector batteries out. And we got one full bath here. Looks in good shape.
This house is more closer under 3.
Good tile work. Fan's crazy dirty. Doesn't look like it's ever been cleaned. And we got bedroom 1. Windows look okay. They've been replaced once, but looks like it's been patched already. And bedroom 2. Good size. Did a crappy job on the trim work there, but. And this window is busted up as well. So we already need windows and probably a roof. And then the master. The closets. Got a beat up tile there, probably from a bed. And looks all right. And then the master bath. Looks like the caulking around the toilet didn't work out too well. Got some, why would you use white caulk in that? I'm not sure.
I just left it open so you can
Yep, perfect. Yep.
It's not working.
Yeah, I think there's a few things in here that are not working.
Well, hey, that's where the discounts come from, right?
Absolutely. If it's too pretty, I probably don't like it. The kitchen, granite. Cabinets are a little old, but not bad. Space for fridge.
Before they sell?
No, sometimes. You mean they move in before they sell it?
No.
Screened in lanai.
Oh, before they sell it. Okay, yeah.
Good out here.
Yeah, that's,
Good sized backyard. Manageable. Trees are a little much for my liking, but. And we got some more wood rot there.
Don't work that way either.
You gotta be out and do it, you know,
You gotta be out.
You gotta give me a 30 or 60-day rent back.
Hey, garage. We got attic access up there. It's dry in here, which is nice, and it's been raining all day. We got washer and dryer hookups and water tank from 2020. What did you think of Voltaire? Is it worth it?
10 minutes.